Yeah, it's alright. Alright.
Nice one, mate. It's been a long time. It's probably been about 6 months since I made a video. I'm starting this big timber framing job. I'm going to stick a picture on there like this, and I need a trolley to lift heavy timbers. I could buy one, but I decided to make one instead. It's a bit cheaper, probably takes me just as long, probably costs me just as much, but I make it myself. It's got these big monster wheels, it's got these little small axles, and I'm just cutting up the frame, just trying to get some measurements on. So I've drawn a layout on this board, and I'm just going to cut it off this instead of measuring it. So this is the first piece I've done on my new cabin build. I know I've not finished the other one, but the other one is not a paid job. This is a paid job, so paid jobs take priority. Obviously it starts as a hobby, and then, you know, it works on from there. So I'm just planing them all down, because some of them, because these are air dried oak, some of them have a little bit of a twist in them, tiny bit. So I'm just planing them down so I get a nice smooth finish. That looks really nice.
Well, remember, subscribe to the channel.
This side here is all twisted, and instead of me planing it down, I'm just going to cut this end off now, so it's just easier for me to sort out the rest of it. Really, I just wanted to play with this new tool. toy, tool, toy, whatever you want to call it. So I've done the first joint, I've done one joint. This is one of the top pieces. It's just a 4-inch square. And now I'm going to cut one of the braces. That's quite cool. So I've got my first, this is for a brace. This is going to go in the top piece. Well, there's my first timbered cut. Got a 1.5-inch tenon at the bottom to go into the bottom sill plate. Got a brace pocket cut. And I've got this as my top pieces are going along this. I'm going to have a half lap joint here from 2 pieces. One piece going that way, one piece going that way. Well, that's it for part one. It's been a busy week since Monday. I could do with doing it a bit faster, but I've got these 4 timbers. There's 13 posts, upright posts going up. I've done 4 of them. Obviously Monday took a bit longer because I was just getting my bearings and stuff, but now I've got the hang of it. I was trying to figure out how to get them square, and then I realised I only need 2 square edges, 1 90-degree edge, and then I can reference everything off that. It just makes things so much easier. Hopefully in the next video, if it'll be ready, you'll see I have exciting video, new tool I'm making, a layout tool, something similar to what's on the market now, which seems impossible to get hold of. So hopefully those will be ready by then. If you like this type of content, then consider subscribing, like, and if you have any questions you can comment on the video. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.